Good day. Our topic for this day is all about synthetic division. Synthetic division is a shortcut dividing of polynomials. Example. Example. 5x raised to 4 plus 7x raised to 3 plus minus 4x squared plus 8x plus 5 divided by x minus squared. First step, write the terms of the dividend so that the degrees of the terms are in this descending order. Then write the coefficient as shown at the right. Second step, write the constant r of the divisor, x minus r to the left. In this case, r equals to 2, bring down the first coefficient, 5. Step 3, multiply the first coefficient by 2. Bring down 5, 2 times 5 equals to 10. 7 plus 10 equals to 17. Then 2 times to 17 equals to 34. Then negative 4 plus 34 equals to 30. 2 times to 30 equals to 60. Then add 8 plus 60 equals to 68. 2 times 68 equals to 136. Then plus 5, add the 5 to 136 equals to 141. After you would multiply the divisor to the coefficient number, the numbers along the bottom row are the coefficients of the quotients. It starts with the powers of x, that is 1 less than the degree of the dividend, thus the coefficient is